the streets of fire, where shadows play.
You guys have any doubts from previous classes?
Sir, actually, I had faced one issue related to the rasterize. So when I am using the gradient tool, sometimes I'm getting the rasterize related issue. Could not use the gradient tool because the pixels are in a type layer. Please rasterize the layer. So previously also we had faced this issue. So in which cases we are getting this type of issue?
Okay, got it. I understood. Gradient tool is not working because the layer is not a raster.
Yes,
right?
yes. Not only gradient. Sometimes we are
Yeah.
getting other tools for other tools.
So when you file place embedded, okay, when you do this problem will come. Okay, I'll show you that. For example, I'm clearing the doubt. Okay, this is not actual class.
Yes, yes.
So you have an empty page and you try to import an image, right? Like place embedded. Say you have an image, for example, say this collar. Yeah, you have an image like this. So this image, the layer, you see here, this layer is not a normal layer, as I told you. Before also I told, if you see this icon,
Yes.
the layer,
Yes.
which means that is a smart object. Okay, it is not normal layer. So smart objects are not directly editable, which means most of the tools will not work on smart objects. Like if I try to paint, it will not work. The tool will not work on this layer. Okay. If I try to put a gradient on top of this will not work. So if I try this, then it will give a message like this. Could not use the gradient tool because the smart object is not directly editable. Yes, as usual. Smart objects are not directly editable. You have to convert into raster. Okay. So you have to convert for editing. How to convert? Right click.
Layer.
Rasterize layer.
Raster.
So once you convert this layer to raster, then this will become editable. Then you can use a gradient. Means you can draw a gradient. But what is the use? You're replacing everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So mostly when you're trying to paint or do some brush tool work or eraser, if you take an eraser tool and if you want to erase, this is what editing.
Yes.
So that time we will use like this. Okay, right now this concept I'm leaving. Okay, in future you will learn about this, more about editing the images. Right now we are learning the basic designing concepts. Okay, so editing photos is separate topic. It will come in future, don't worry. Okay. So that doubt you cleared, right?
Yes, yes. And one more doubt, sir. Yesterday you had copied a face image within a circle, right?
Yes.
So after doing a transform to that image, when I try to decrease the size of the size of the face within the circle, even the circle is getting destroyed sometimes.
Okay, I'll explain this concept also. See here. So you have a circle like this, and you want to place some image inside the circle. Okay. Yeah. So how to place? First, open that photo. File. Okay. Open. 1 second, guys. You have this face, for example. Okay. Open that photo separately. Now what you will do? You select this one. Select the photo.
Copy.
Control C. Copy. Yeah. Copy. And then go here.
Control Shift J.
Not Control V. Control Alt Shift V. Control Alt Shift V. It will place inside this circle. Yes. Okay. Then take Move tool. You can move it. Yes. What is moving is the image, not the circle. Yeah. There are two things here. You can see there is a circle separate. So there is a layer within a layer. You can see here.
Exactly.
So this is what happening when you place. You'll get an image. That image is as usual, like the full size. Yes. Okay. The circle is limiting the view. It is like a window. Yes. The circle is like a window. That window is here. So if you want to change the window, you select the window. This circle. You can change the circle position. If you want to change the layer, select the layer. You change the layer. Two things are there. You can move them separately. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. And if you click in between, they both will tie up like link. They will fix like this. Okay. This is a link. So there is a link. You can break it. You can move them separately, individually like this. Okay. You can link them up and move both at a time. Okay. This is a future concept actually, not now. This is called masking. That will come later. There are a variety of masking techniques.
Sir, can you do transform, sir, now for the image?
Transform. So first of all, unlink this one. Select the photo. Press Ctrl T. Little zoom out.
Now try to reduce the size.
Reduce the size of the image.
Yeah. Now we are able to see like sometimes circle has been destroyed. Yeah, now
it's not,
decrease.
when you
Yes, yes.
do too much of transform, what happens is, you have to understand one more thing. If I have a red color background, you'll understand. See here, you're having a photo like this, right? The
Yes.
photo border is still here only. You
Yes.
understood? Photo has a bad border.
Yeah.
See, this is the border. You have to maximize the size. You understood what happened here? Window is bigger than the photo now.
Yes. Now, how can we make within the circle the photo?
It is
The
inside circle only, na?
Put shift and
See, it is inside circle only.
If you want to can you try to reduce the image now without disturbing the circle?
Which image?
In the face. If you try to reduce the size of the image, yeah,
Reduced.
yeah. Now the shape has been disappeared.
That's what happens. So then what you will do is delete this one second. Delete this entire thing. Draw circle. Again, do this. Here we selected only a portion of an image. Do one thing. Select the entire image.
Okay.
Okay. You have to select the entire image like this.
Okay.
Control C, then Control Alt Shift V. Then what happens is you copied more image now, big image.
Yeah.
Then you won't get that problem.
Uh-huh.
You understood?
Yeah.
Now you can
So,
transform.
Okay, our selection should be large at the time.
Yeah, your selection should be larger. If you select very small area, then you are limited. You have limited area to transform. Like you can transform now. This much you can transform.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So if you transform beyond this, like, then you will get the same issue again.
Yeah.
That is the limitation of the image. Image is not available beyond the border. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. That's all.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'm closing this.